What's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you my review of this awesome mixer. This is the ARMX-777 professional audio mixer from Arvomic. Now this is going to be a special video because they actually sent me two of these, with one to unbox and review on this channel and the other to give away to one of my lucky subscribers. So stay tuned because somewhere near the end of this video, I'll leave instructions on how one of you can enter for a chance to win this additional mixer. So just to clarify and set expectations, this specific giveaway is currently limited to those of you in the US. But sometime soon in the near future, I'll find many more ways so that everyone internationally can also have a chance to win prizes for supporting this channel. So stay tuned and we'll get to it. The ARMX-777 comes in a brown cardboard box with an image of the mixer on the front, as well as a summary of the various features on the mixer. Now right off the bat, the packaging also highlights the 12-month warranty and gives you an overview of the system specifications, as well as the contents of the box. Now in the box, you get a long power cord with a 4-port connector that securely connects to the mixer itself. You also get a detailed but brief instruction manual that illustrates the various buttons, knobs, and sliders and what they're used for. Now the mixer itself takes up a majority of the space and is packaged in a static bag and styrofoam. It weighs a good 9.6 pounds, so definitely a little bit on the heavier side. Now when it comes to power, you connect the power cord to the back and you screw it in to secure it. All of the knobs, the buttons, and the sliders on the mixer glide and move effortlessly, and overall the build quality is quite nice. Now it definitely does feel like a durable and well-built piece of equipment. Now at a glance, there are a ton of controls, which can be confusing, but everything is grouped and outlined in an organized way. And there's an LCD screen that allows you to quickly glance at the settings and quick press buttons to control external USB devices that you might have connected. So this 14-channel mixer is a feature-rich audio mixer that retails for about $145 on Amazon, and is probably one of the more affordable mixers of this caliber that I could find out there. This mixer's got a USB input port to connect MP3 players, storage and audio devices, and other accessories to it. It's also got Bluetooth functionality, so you can also stream and input audio sources wirelessly. And then last but certainly not least, it also provides 48-volt phantom power to all of the various audio devices and microphones that you can attach to it. It's also pretty sleek looking because of the navy blue color, which I absolutely love. Now this mixer can be used in a number of different ways, starting with live streaming and podcasts, all the way to connecting DJ equipment and setting up your own high-performance home recording studio. This device also comes with a 12-month manufacturer's warranty, and is probably going to be one of the more crucial components in my new studio setup, even though I'm still learning how to use it. Now my studio setup video is going to be something that I'll also be sharing with you soon. Now as you saw from the unboxing, this comes with pretty much just the mixer itself and this power cable. So it's going to be up to you to provide all of the other cables and accessories to set this thing up. Now the good thing about that is that most other studio equipments and microphones already come with the cables needed to connect it to this mixer. The only thing I had to purchase so far was the left and right audio cable to 3.5mm jack to connect it to my PC, which only cost me a few bucks. Now looking at the mixer board itself, it can be easy to get overwhelmed by all the number of dials and connections on the board, especially if you're a novice like myself. And this will probably be more mixer than I'll ever need in my studio setup, but hey, it never hurts to be over-prepared. And from a build quality perspective, this mixer is excellent. The chassis is made up of a thick aluminum metal, and judging by the way I'm struggling, you can tell that this thing is super heavy. All of the knobs and sliders are a durable, heavy-duty plastic. I also love the high-quality feel of the power cable and the adapter, and love how it's designed to stay secure. Not only do you plug it in, but it's also got a screw cap to secure it in place and make sure it can't get accidentally pulled out and unplugged. Now on the mixer itself, it has a small LED screen below the USB input port to give you a simple view of the current settings and modes that you're in. Now, connecting a device to the mixer via Bluetooth is fairly simple. You just need to short press the BT button and you'll see the letters BT in the LCD, which means it's in pairing mode. You then just need to go to your external device and look for the MIX-MP3 BT connection and select it. Once that's done, you're all set to stream audio to the mixer wirelessly. So this is what the audio sounds like through a microphone connected to the Arvomic ARMX-777. As you can hear, it sounds pretty good. The quality is good, and I think, that's the combination of both the microphone and the mixer itself. So I have this currently connected to a left-right speaker cable that outputs to a 3.5mm audio jack. And as you can tell, it sounds not too bad going through this method. Now it's got a number of dials on this mixer itself, so I can adjust the low, the mids, and the highs easily. So if I turn the lows all the way up and turn the lows all the way down, that's what this sounds like. If I turn the mids all the way up, then the mids all the way down, this is what that sounds like. This is if I turn the highs all the way up and then the highs all the way down, and this is what that sounds like. So as you can see, this thing works pretty well. Not many examples that I can use in this video to kind of share with you what all of this looks like and what all the use cases are for this mixer. Now I do think that this mixer can be used for recording videos, editing audio. It can definitely be used in a DJ scenario where you connect this to a bunch of mixers or turntables. This mixer is very versatile. What I do like is that it is Bluetooth capable, so you can connect an input device via Bluetooth and stream your music through this mixer. It's also got a USB in, so you can connect an MP3 player or an audio device to stream all kinds of audio or music throughout this mixer and mix it in as well. So this is a full production mixer that can be used in a number of different ways. So that is it. I'd say that this is a versatile mixer, and I definitely recommend it as an affordable option if you're just starting to set up a professional studio. It's got enough features and connectivity to satisfy most people's needs, and I'd say the build quality plus the 12-month warranty ensures that you have a product that will definitely give you your money's worth. Now, if you want to purchase one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description section below. Now, back to this giveaway and how to enter for the chance to win this mixer. So first and foremost, you should be a subscriber to this channel. Now, I'd also appreciate you smashing that like button if you're enjoying this video and want to see more content like this. Second, please leave me a comment below letting me know why you want this mixer and or what you would use it for. And then last but not least, send me a DM on either Twitter or Instagram letting me know what your username is on YouTube, so when the time comes I can notify you if you're the winner. My Twitter and Instagram details are below. After completing those 3 things, I'll select 10 entries, and from those 10 entries, I'll randomly draw one winner. Since I don't want this to drag out too long, I'll choose the 10 entries on Monday, July 26th, and then announce the winner on a video that I'll post on Friday, July 30th. I'll also coordinate with the winner through Twitter, Instagram, email, or YouTube, or whatever the preference is, to get the mixer into your hands. Again, this specific giveaway is only for my US-based subscribers this time around. We'll do a more international giveaway sometime later down the road. On your way out, please make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Make sure you also ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. You never know, I just might have another giveaway soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.